Okay, children, we have to find these words over here. So the words are glasses, handbag, phone, computer, keys, backpack. Okay, so let's do a competition. You compete against me. Are you ready? Okay. Look at all these letters and try to find the words. Let's see if you can finish before I do. Ready, steady, go. I found. What? Glasses. I've got one. Oh, yes. Phone. I've got two. Hurry up. Am I winning? What else? Here. Backpack. I've got three. Okay, now let's see. Here, computer. Four. Where is keys? For example, keys. Where is keys? Have you found keys? Oh, yes! Here, keys. And the last one is, I've got phone, glasses, computer, handbag. Wow, that one is difficult. Handbag. Handbag. Have you found it? Oh, yes! Handbag. Okay, yes! Phone, computer, keys, backpack, glasses, and handbag. Yes, good for me. What about you?